thought I'd try to get a quick video done here before the family wakes up. Today's a special day. I say that every video, but really today is special because Daxton and Porter are gonna have their first. When I was their age, I got to ride little dirt bikes. And if you remember a few videos back, which because I only post, only a video every couple weeks, it's been a while. I think back in Christmas, they got a little dirt bike.
1, 2, 3, open the door.
Whoa!
They're gonna get an opportunity to ride that dirt bike today, and let us hope for no accidents. Sorry I'm slow on the videos. We've been very busy. I know you've all been asking for more videos. I'll do my best to try to get more out. And I'm also completely lying. No one's been asking for more videos. I just wanted to throw that out there and make myself feel like I am in higher demand than I actually am. Jennifer's a tea drinker, so I thought, well, she's still sleeping, I'll go out and get her a tea. That should make her happy. Not that she's not happy, she's normally happy, but a tea would just make her more happy. Large steep tea, please, with 1 milk and 1 sweetener. And a large dark roast black. I'm sure you're aware, but this video is not sponsored by Tim Hortons. However, if Tim Hortons wants to sponsor me, by all means, I'm not gonna turn it down.
Thank you.
I told you she'd be happy. We are ready to go. Headed up to Waipress, north of Calgary, northwest of Calgary. Near Cochrane. Here we go. Okay, we finally made it to the campsite. Right on. We got the bike out. Daxton's got his helmet on, like a good boy. Hortsy does not have his helmet on. He will wear one, or else he will not go. You're gonna start to go. Okay? As you start to go, you're gonna lift your legs and give her. Okay? Go ahead.
Oh my god, I couldn't even get it. I'm so nervous. Slow down.
Too high. You're up. Just thought I'd let everyone know, Daxton did not hit that trailer. He doesn't wipe out till a few times later. Anyways, back to the movie.
You did it! Good job. How was it, buddy? That was a little better than the first round, eh?
Good boy. Hey, best so far, pal.
I can't
Okay, it is the next day. It was a real late night after motorbiking around. We did a barbecue. You putting the glasses on?
We didn't wind up leaving the park until 1 in the morning. Or 12:30, thereabouts. We didn't get home until about 1:30. Dax, how was your experience with motocross? Motorbiking, your first time ever.
Good.
What was the best part about it?
Just doing it. And the worst part was crashing.
Yeah. Why don't you show everyone your scar? Oh man. Brutal. And Portsy, how'd you like it?
Good.
You didn't go quite as fast, but you didn't crash. Are you proud of that?
My favorite part was going fast.
Going fast, okay. Well, hey, listen, we're so appreciative that you took the time to watch this. Thank you so much. If you don't mind, try sharing this. It would mean a lot to us. We're trying to build a subscriber base. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing that as well. We would greatly appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much, guys.
See you later.
Okay.
Bye. Subscribe.
Bye-bye.